To begin, determine the height of the supply outlet box. A normal height is 36 inches to 42 inches from the finished floor to the bottom of the box. Next, install nailing brackets to the box. Align box with measurement on stud. Then, secure the outlet box to the studs. Solvent cement the drain pipe into the box hub. Then, solvent weld P-trap. Next, secure the water lines into the valve bodies. Then turn the water on to check for leaks. Run water through the drain to check for leaks before you install drywall. Lastly, connect the water supply and drain hose from the washer to the outlet box valves. Once all connections have been tightened, cycle the appliance while checking for leaks.